What's up guys, my name is DiDio, and in this video we're going to be learning one of my favorite blues chords of all time, the E7 something chord. It's just funky, man. I like it a lot. Let's jump into the intro and then get right into the video. Hey guys, my name is DiDio and you're watching the DiDio Show, and in this video, like I said in the beginning, we're going to be learning my favorite blues chord. That's pretty much an E7 chord, but in a different shape that makes it to where you can do a lot of things with it, especially in the areas of blues, but then also if you're doing some walk-ups, things of that nature, it really works well for that too. So make sure you subscribe, ding the little bell for more videos just like this one. I also do guitar vlogs, music theory lessons, song lessons, and I also do product reviews. So if you enjoy any of those things, please consider subscribing and liking this video. But let's go ahead and jump into how to play this E7 chord that people like Eric Clapton and B.B. King use often. So let's dive right into it. Now for this chord, we'll be working with the E type of chord. Now it is a 5th position chord where our root note is here on the 7th fret of the A string. Now for this chord, you'll be able to strum all the strings so you don't have to worry about trying to pick one out individually. Okay, so our second finger goes on this root note, the 7th fret of the low A string. Our first finger will go on the 6th fret of the D string. Our third finger will go on the 7th fret of the G string. And then also we can add our pinky here to the 8th fret of the B string. Now that makes it sound kind of, what does that sound like? Well, in a song by Eric Clapton, he did a song called Hey Hey. Now in this song, what he did was, he took that note and he bent it up with his pinky. And then pulled it off and hit the B string instead of that 8th fret. And then that is the real chord right there, but that little funky where your pinky goes for the bend, that's just there for fun if you'd like to do that. But if you wouldn't, you can just hit these notes right here. Just like that. Okay guys, so there is that funky E chord there. I hope that you liked it. Now if you did and you'd like to see that chord in action, here's a really cool video right here that I think you'll enjoy that is based off of that chord right there. And if you'd like to see more things you can do with it, check out that video too, because I do a lot of different things with that chord and I think you'll enjoy watching it. Also subscribe, ding the little bell for more videos just like this one. Now, something very important, use this chord with caution. Don't use it too much. Use it just a little bit at the time, just to make people think, oh, that was cool, I like what you did there, that was neat. Just don't do it like for every single chord unless, you know, the chord chart says to do it or anything like that. But don't use it all the time, maybe for walk-ups like, I don't know, just like use it sparingly though. Don't use that as your main chord all the time unless, you know, the song calls for it. But that's pretty much the only piece of advice I'd give with this chord. Use it sparingly, and then it'll really grab people's attention with that nice little 7th note that you put in there. But thanks again so much for watching. Check out some of my other videos. I think you'll enjoy those videos too, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.